Hey guys, what's going on? So I just got 2 boxes delivered from Japan this morning. I've been waiting a very long time for both these boxes. Mate, I'm so excited. I'm bloody filming here in my living room. I am pretty pumped. I just want to rip in and make sure that they're okay, but I figured better whip the camera out and record, and hopefully you guys can enjoy a bit of the unboxing with me. Let's start with the smaller one, eh? These are actually for a friend of mine. They are some RX3 blinker covers. Oh, bloody hell. Yeah, babe. Alright, one sec. I'm just doing an unboxing. Alright, I'll check. On to the good stuff. Lots of bubble wrap, that's good. So this is just a little This, however, is very exciting. Surgically open this up. This is the other part of the footrest for the mirror. What's in here? So this should be a switch. Is a genuine fog light switch for a 180 SX. Now I'd only get the switch if it was to go with something. Wiring loom, a couple of relays. Alright, I'll put that aside for now. Let's open one of these up. We have one half of the equation. Alright, so I feel like I owe some viewers a little bit of an explanation. So these lights, to some people, might just look pretty ordinary. Excuse the mess. I couldn't give a stuff right now. I'm so happy I got these. So these are a set of genuine optional extras from Nissan. Now they were offered for the Type X series 180SXs, and for some reason no one chose them. And I don't know how many they made, but they made bugger all, because I looked for years, not months, not weeks, years to find a set of these. They aren't perfect by no means. I did see a perfect pair go up for sale, and let's just say I would have had to have sold both my kidneys to buy that pair. This pair, on the other hand, came up for sale, and it had the wiring loom, it had the sub harness with the relays. Some of the chrome is a bit damaged on 2 of the lenses themselves, but and it didn't have a switch. So when I first, when I purchased them, it was also missing the switch. By chance, a few months later, someone happened to be selling the switch by itself, and I think I picked it up for like 50 bucks. So needless to say, I was, mate, over the moon to have officially the full set of fog lights for my car. Yeah, yeah, I've waited so long for these. Like I'm so pumped I finally got them. So obviously they're gonna need a little bit of work. I'm gonna need to fix up a little bit of the chroming because it's deteriorated a little bit. You know, it's pretty bad on one of them. So I'll see what I can do about that and get them fitted and show you guys the end result. I was actually in the middle of replacing the globes in my aircon unit and the dash cluster when I saw the guy from FedEx coming down the street. I actually raced out onto the balcony, yelled out to him to ask if they were for me. So yeah, pretty pumped to get these fog lights, to say the least. But I'm not going to fit them on the car today, unfortunately. But do hit subscribe to stay tuned to the channel, because I will have a video up pretty soon. I'm probably going to mock them up and just investigate whether a wiring loom has to run and all the rest of it. So yeah, and yeah, just bear with us. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying.